Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Java, that is Java 17, in a Windows 11 operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Java, you need to first simply go to a favorite browser, and in the address bar you need to just simply type JDK download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this www.oracle.com is basically our first search result. So just simply click on that, and this is going to redirect you to this official site of Java. And in here, if you just simply scroll down a bit, you will be getting that Java is available for 3 operating systems. One is Linux, then macOS, and finally Windows. So since we are going to install it for our Windows 11 operating system, so I just simply going to click on this Windows tab, and then we are going to simply going to click on this MSI installer, right? So just simply click on that, and this is going to start downloading our Java. Since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it. And if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see that Java 17 has been rightly downloaded over here. Now to install, you need to just simply double click on it, and you can clearly see that our Java installation wizard has been rightly opened over here. So let us first minimize our download directory, and you can see this is the installation wizard of our Java. So just simply click on next. This is going to be our installation destination. Keep this default, then simply click on next, and you can clearly see our installation has been rightly begun. So this will also going to ask you for administrative privileges. So for that, just simply click on yes, and you can clearly see that our installation of our Java has been rightly begun. So this will be taking a couple of minutes. So what I will be doing is I will be coming back right after installing Java. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Java 17 has been rightly installed. So just simply click on close, and now all you need to do is you need to just simply go to your C drive, and then you need to go inside your program files, and here you will be getting this Java folder. So just simply go inside that folder, and then you'll be getting JDK 17 folder. So just simply go inside that folder, and in here you'll be getting so many files and folders. From here you need to simply go inside this bin folder, right? And then all you need to do is you need to just simply click on this address bar, then Ctrl A to basically copy this path, then right click on it and copy, right? And now all you need to do is you need to just simply click on the search icon, and here you need to just simply type environ, and you will be getting this edit the system environment variables, not edit environment variables for your account. Always remember that edit the system environment variables is what we are going to click, right? So just simply click on that, and this is going to open this system properties. In here you need to just simply click on environment variables, and this is going to open this window called environment variables. In here under the system variables, you need to just simply click on path, then edit, and this is going to open this window. In here you need to just simply click on new, then you need to just simply right click on it and paste. So we are basically going to copy that path of bin folder, and we are going to paste that simply over here, and then just simply click on OK, right? So we are basically set our Java path. Now it's time to set our Java home. So for that, here you need to just simply click on new, and let's give this name as a Java underscore home as a variable name, and for path just simply right click on it and paste. But this time we don't want to paste this bin folder, right? So we just want to paste till JDK 17. So simply do that much, and then just simply click on OK, and then again OK, and then again OK, right? And now if we again simply click on the search icon, and this time if you just simply type cmd, then enter, and you can see that command prompt has been rightly opened over here, right? So here if you just simply type Java space dash dash version, then enter, you can clearly see that Java 17 has been rightly shown in our console, right? So all this basically means our Java has been rightly installed on our machine, right? So in this way, you can easily install the latest version of Java in a Windows 11 operating system. Now I am also going to show you how to create a simple hello world Java program and how to run them. Right, so for that, first simply close it, then just simply right click on it, then just simply click on new, then folder, and let's give a folder name as a Java_practice. Right, so we want to practice, so Java_practice, then just simply go inside that folder, then right click on it and new. But this time we want to create a new text document, right? So new text document, so just simply go inside that text document, and here we will be simply going to create a hello world class, right? So hello world, and then we just simply going to create a main method, so public static void main, then string args, right? And then what we are going to do is we are going to just simply going to print hello world in our console, right? So system.out.println, and then we are going to print hello world, right? So just simply type this much, and then just simply go to file, then save as, and here we are going to save this file as a hello world, right, .java. This is very important. You have to save this file as a .java, right, hello world.java, and then you need to save this file as all file type. That's a very important. You need to save this file as all file type, and file name would be hello world.java. This file name is basically what we use as a class name. See, the class name we used is hello world, right? So same class name .java, then save, right? And now if we just simply click on this address bar, then cmd, then enter, you can see our command prompt has been right open inside this directory called Java practice, right? So in here, if you just simply type Java C for compilation, and then name of your file, that is hello world.java, then enter, you can clearly see our program has been rightly compiled over here. So you can clearly see hello world.class has been rightly generated, right? So now to run, just simply type Java space hello world, right? So Java space hello world. For compilation we are using Java C, to run just Java, then enter, and you can clearly see hello world has been rightly shown in our console. So in this way you can easily install the latest version of Java, and also I have also shown you how to set environment variables, how to set Java home, and then I have also shown you how you can easily create a simple hello world Java program and how to run them, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so please do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.